and just squeeze it really slow. You understand? Bring off the trigger. One hand. Arm straight out. There you go. Put the dot on the light.
On the light.
Gently, gently.